This tram is for Towson Lane. The next stop is Bulwell, Town Centre, local bus services. Please ensure you have purchased a ticket or validated your smart card. This tram is for Towson Lane. The next stop is Highbury Vale.
Here's Tram 225, Doe Scott CBE. So this is Highbury Vale Tram stop, Clifton South, B platform.
This tram is for Towson Lane. The next stop is
Clifton Phonics. It's platform B. You can see another one that's going to come Phoenix Park. 228.
This tram is for Towson Lane. The next stop
It says some names in the back, but I can't see it because it went fast. This tram's been going fast, so yeah. We arrived at David Lane. I can easily, just catch that. I can easily catch that level crossing.
This tram is for Towson Lane. The next stop is Basement.
Tram 220. Professor Sir Martin Polyakov. northbound, if you in the right, it's 50 miles per hour because I don't know. They didn't tell me yet. They didn't tell me yet why is that line 50 miles per hour, but this line that we're on is actually 70 miles per hour. Here's Tram 203. Tram 203, Bendigo Thompson to Hocknell. My future job, I just want to say, my future job is trying to be a driver, Nottingham Tram's driver. So we're gonna switch into the left cab so we can see how to change it.